lesson, I'm going to show you how to solve expressions using the formula to complete the square. The formula is x plus a squared plus b. What that actually means is they want your answer to be in that form. Bear with me, I will show you. This is an example. X squared plus 6x plus 1. I have got to get my answer, which I've done here, to look like this. Could be a plus or a minus there, but that's the only thing that changes. So to do that, I need to divide this by 2 and then square it. So I'm dividing this by 2. 6 divided by 2 equals 3. So that goes there. That's my new there. X plus 3 squared. Then I'm going to square root my 3. And I'm going to get 9. Now my 9 comes to here. But that's a plus. So it then becomes a negative. Now the reason I put these lines down, because to me it's kind of like an equal sign. So I know that plus has got to go over the equal sign and it's got to change signs. So now it becomes a negative 9 plus the 1. Minus 9 plus 1 is minus 8. So I've now got the answer in the form x plus a squared plus b. Remember, the signs doesn't matter really. It's just as long as they look that form. That's completing the square. So I've got some examples here. We're going to work on them ourselves. Using those steps, we're now going to do some questions. Now remember, I put a little line here because I pretend it's an equal sign. Like in algebra. So I know my inverses. So I've got x squared plus 10x plus 3. So now I'm going to divide this first by 2, which is 10 divided by 2 equals 5. So now I know that my new number here, when I put it into brackets, is 5. Okay? So now I need to square the 5. So it now becomes x plus 5 squared, because we don't want to change this because it's in the form that we want it in. Now this equals 25. So it's a plus this side. So it's going to become a negative. It's going over the equal sign and becomes a negative. So it's going to be negative 25 So let's solve it. X plus 5 squared minus 25 plus 3 is negative 22. And that's your answer. So you've got it in that form. It looks in that form. Let's do another one. Start with the 14. 14 divided by 2 equals 7. That's my new number. Let's put the brackets in. X plus 7 squared plus 3. So that's sorted now. We're going to square root our 7, which gives us 49. So we've got x plus 7 squared. It's 49 plus. It's going over the equal sign, so it's a negative 49 plus 3. So x plus 7 squared minus 49 plus 3 is negative 46. There's your answer. In the correct form. Remember that form's really important. Next one, Sort out the 6. We've done that before, so we know it's 3. And we know that the square root of 3 equals 9. So we've got x plus 3 squared plus 25, because we've just worked on that 3. This is our 9. It's going over the equal sign, so it becomes a negative 9 plus 25. And our answer is x plus 3 squared minus 9 plus 25. What's 16? Let's think about that then. That's a bit of a brain blank, as we all do. Another 2. So sort out the 8. 8 divided by 2 equals 4. Square root of 4 equals 16. So we've got now x plus 4 squared plus 16. So we've got x plus 4 squared plus 16. It's going over our equal sign, so it's a negative plus a 16. So our answer is x plus 4 squared. Because minus 16 plus 16 is nothing. So if you wanted to put it, I suppose, in that form, you could put plus 0. And the final one, 6 again. We know that 6 divided by 3 equals 2. So we've got x plus square 2 times 2 is 4. Square root of 2 is 4. Plus 4 squared. Oh, sorry. I've done that wrong. I've got ahead of myself there. It's not 4. It's 2. Plus 4. Plus 4. This is a negative 4 because it's a plus there. So the answer to this one is just there you go. Went a bit quiet there. I had to think about it. Obviously, you could put the plus 0 if you want to. And a quick question for you guys to do yourself. I'll put it here. I want you to try this one on your own using those steps. And let's do... Let's do an easy one. I'll change the cut up so it's going top one. So it's x squared minus 4x plus 9. Okay? And your answer is going to be x minus 2 squared minus 30. Okay, give it a go, try it, and just keep going through the video until you get it. It's very basic, this one is. I am going to do a video where it's negatives because I know you guys get completely frightened of negative numbers when you shouldn't be. But I will put one on a complete and square with negative numbers because obviously this one's adding. So get to grips with this, then do the negative one. Okay, thank you.